Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video I'm starting in a rather different way क्योंकि तो मेरा कैमरा सेट हो चुका है. Today is Friday and actually it is 11 PM right now. So as I was saying, I'm going to rant for a little while. So what happened is that I have overworked myself this week and today I'm having so many mood swings for some reason. Okay, let me start from yesterday. I was craving OPTP ka Nashville hot burger and I was really craving it, honestly. But what happened was I was like, should I spend that much money on a burger right now? And I have already spent so much money on, like different stuff. So I was like, stopping myself. I'm not complaining, it's the things that I have to do, but this shopping was also really necessary. Anyways, I'm sweating so much because I just came back from some snack shopping. Also, I had to run over to, a friend's house. I had to drop off something. So yeah, I just did that. Sweating a lot right now. I am tired. I wanted to have like a peaceful night care routine. I did my skincare in the morning because my skin was not feeling the best, or I was having some breakouts. I was really craving the burger yesterday. So what happened was basically I was craving some spice. My hair needs to be washed ASAP. My hair is so oily. Anyways, I really wanted to do this one snack haul. I wanted to show you guys some of the things that I really like because मुझे आज था कि आज बस मुझे स्नैक्स चाहिए. मुझे नहीं पता, मुझे आज बस स्नैक्स चाहिए. मैं जाऊँगी. मुझे बस आज मैं ज़िद कर रही हूँ, मुझे आज जाना है. ये तो तबीयत ख़राब हो जाएगी मेरी. मुझे बस स्नैक्स चाहिए. एंड आई वाज लाइक ठीक है, मैं स्नैक्स लेने चली गई. अ लिटिल हॉल विद यू गाइस. सो दिस इज़ द पैकेट. लिटरली so much stuff in here. I'm going to tell myself, Riza, don't eat all of this today. So I should probably take a break because every day my routine is so tough. I am literally working for more than 12 hours. I would say more than 15 hours every single day. I sleep around 3 to 4 a.m. and wake up around 10, 11 a.m. and start working as soon as I wake up. I want to do this night care routine to feel a little better. So I got some snacks with me. Okay, so I'm going to start off with this. I got two wavy, my favorite wavy. I love these. I also got potato sticks. If you guys remember, I used to eat these a lot when I was a kid. Then I stopped eating it somehow, when I came to Islamabad. I stopped, उससे पहले ही I stopped eating this in Karachi, वैसे भी बड़े होने के बाद. So one of my university friends eats these, और उसको देख के I was like, okay, fine, she's eating the stuff that I used to love. So I got myself some potato sticks. Okay, this is it's like a lollipop in the flavor chocolate vanilla flavor. I love lollipops as well, kind of sweet that I can take because my teeth are very sensitive. I love flavored milks. I cannot take just normal plain milk, but I love flavored milks. I took these two flavors. I got a chocolate salted caramel. I do not like strawberry things a lot. I do not like the ice cream or fillings, but I really loved and am loving the strawberry drink. So it is, they have names. So this one doesn't. This one has a name and it says very strawberry. Okay, very strawberry. I'll drink you. Also, I have so much stuff still. For my drink, I have Sting. I have it all the time. I used to have this every single day, but I stopped myself from having it every day, every other day. So now I get it really occasionally. I can get one, maybe in 2 weeks I can get one, and maybe in 2 weeks I can get 3. So that's how it is. So I got one. Then I got a Prince covered in chocolate. I love this. I got a box of it. Oh, I have 3 things. I have the old school Jubilee chocolates. Also I cannot take chocolates as well. अभी मेरे पास पुरानी वाली भी एक मैं लेके आई हूँ, वो भी नहीं खाई गई मुझसे. एक मैं अपने आप को ज़बरदस्ती के कभी कभार मुझे जब लग रहा था मेरा वेट अंडर वेट हो रही हूँ, मैं टू गेन सम वेट, फिर मैं कहती हूँ नो इट्स फाइन, ओके फाइन, आई एम गुड. तो आई गॉट these are from TN's Complexion. It's the mallow, twist mallow gummy filled watermelon flavor. I got this. I once gifted some, I think it was this, I gifted this to a friend or I just like saw it and I told my dad I once gifted this to my friend. She's like you should get it. और मेरे भाई ने ब्लूबेरी फ्लेवर लिया, मतलब मैं उसके लिए वाला लाई हूँ, और मेरी बहन के लिए स्ट्रॉबेरी फ्लेवर, और मैंने वाटर. लास्ट वन आई हैव इज़ दिस फियरी हॉट carbonara flavor soup Korean noodles. I love spice. I can tolerate so much spice. मगर इसके टेक्सचर में कुछ होती है. स्पाइस आई कैन टॉलरेट, पर इसका टेक्सचर ना नॉर्मल नूडल्स की तरह नहीं होता. तो मैं कोशिश करती हूँ, मैं उसको देख कर कभी कभी दिल करता है कि यार आई शुड ईट, बिकॉज वो ये बना रही होती है अपने लिए और मैं नॉर्मल वाला, ठीक है. वो उसका 1 घंटा चलते हैं, खाती रहती है वो, और मैं 1 मिनट में दूसरा वाला Maggie. Why am I laughing? The haul is done. Let's get started with the night care routine. I'm actually going to be following a Pinterest chart और उसमें काफ़ी सारी नाइट केयर की चीज़ें थी, तो आई थिंक कि उसे फॉलो करके मैं मे बी कुछ अपनी बेहतरी के लिए कर सकूँ. So yeah, let's start that. Now I am just going to start off by doing some hair care and taking a relaxed shower. To be washing my hair using a jojoba oil rich shampoo to give some like strength to my hair. I barely use any heat now, like since summer बहुत ज़्यादा कम. वरना यूनिवर्सिटी में तो फिर समझ आता था, कर लेती थी. Be picking out a very comfortable PJ set, want to get in that. Let's select. Okay, so I selected my fit. So I'm going to be wearing this pink shirt and these green lowers. So yeah, I'm just going to go and hop straight into the shower. Okay, so I feel super refreshed, but I have to pray Isha and इंशाल्लाह इशा के बाद ही मैं सही तरह लेटूँगी, वरना फिर अच्छी बात नहीं होती. Anyways, मैंने अपना स्ट्रॉबेरी मिल्क फ्रीज़र में रखा था, and honestly I have we have 2 very cute aesthetic cups, and अम्मी जो है मुझे कह रही है कि you cannot have that because वो बहुत नाजुक है, वो टूट जाए. I'm like अम्मी, I'm literally 20 years old, I can handle it. Watching Netflix, and I'm currently watching Penthouse. I just discussed it in a video how much I'm loving Penthouse, and you guys want to see my tabs, see all of this. There's just something that I do which you guys might find a little bit weird, is that I have 7 to 8 tabs of YouTube, and I have videos in it, like vlogs and different sort of videos. I have those because whenever I'm watching, so I can watch in the flow. Anybody else do that, or is it just me? Because I love doing that, and I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus tabs. Okay, other than that, I have a movie, Uptown Girls, and I started this 3 months ago, 4 months ago. I don't know why I haven't watched it. So I think I'm going to finish it someday. I have a ChatGPT. I have my Notion digital planner. I have Indeed. I have Webtoon. So many tabs of Pinterest, Canva, and so on. Because I make thumbnails here, and in these I have inspirations for my thumbnails. This is Netflix के सेशन पे मैंने क्या स्टार्ट किया हुआ है, Save Me का 2 स्टार्ट किया हुआ है. हाँ, what is it there? Yeah. उसके 2 prayers, and I have a mail open here. So yes, I am going to be watching Penthouse, of course. I am on episode, I'm going to start episode 8 or 9, I don't know. I was on 8, I think. This is super literally complicated drama and I love it. Honestly, I love how things are continuously changing in this drama. Also, plus I changed the light, I changed it to purple. Like I want that light as well, जो phone के ऊपर लग जाती, जिसमें background में आपका जो भी color आप रख लो, मगर you know like you get that one white or warm light on your face. I'm searching for those as well. So if anybody of you guys know that light जो phone से attach हो जाती है, so please tell me where I can find it. There it is. Character is super annoying, but I don't know this. I continuously thought कि ये अच्छा है. बार बार लगता था कि अच्छा है, फिर लगता था ये बुरा है, फिर लगता था ये अच्छा है, फिर ये बुरा है. He definitely is bad because he has done way too many crimes to be nice. Anyways, I'm going to be watching this. Feel super refreshed after taking a shower, and I also did some skincare. I used an exfoliating scrub as well. Yes, also after doing the jade ice rolling, it was really nice. Already feels so much nice. Sleeping. Started raining really heavy. It's almost 1 a.m. in the morning. I love the rain और मैं यहाँ पे आई अपने रूम में and मैं बाहर चली गई थी. तो yeah, I'm just here in my room enjoying the rain now. I love the rain और अभी मैंने अपने पूरी तरह चिप्स भी नहीं खाया. So yeah, the rain is just amazing. So I am back in my room. Episode 9, honestly, अभी मैं episode 9 पे ही हूँ. I only watched like one episode, or this is not also completed to my room because Sky and me, we like sleep here in my room because like, of course he stays in my room. So but sometimes what I do is like before like going to bed, I just like put him to sleep. He sleeps when I am in the room, and then I go out and like watch stuff like when the lights are open. But today it was raining and like he does not like the rain. He is scared. तो कभी वो enjoy कर लेता है, लेकिन आवाज़ से थोड़ा डरता है. तो मैं साथ हूँ तो ठीक होता है. So yeah, what I want to do is braid my hair. I think it's time for bed. Yes, I really want to finish this episode. Yeah, I am tired as well. This was a little night care routine. It doesn't actually show like skincare or stuff like that. It was actually like mostly like a body and mind care that I do when I feel like I'm drowning in stress and work. I have actually talked about this earlier as well. Anyways, that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you liked this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.